So I am going to show you guys how to add arrows, text boxes, and squares real quick. So first things first, we go to new slide. Now we are going to do a quick screen capture by holding down the Command Shift 4 keys. Your icon's going to turn into this little thing right here. Let's go ahead and take a quick screen capture shot. Okay, now we're going to move that. Actually, let's minimize that. Where did that picture go? There's that picture. So we'll move that into a PowerPoint by doing this. Alright, now we have the screen capture, we have the screen. Now I'm going to add an arrow by going to the object palette right here. This is the object palette again, right there. And then I'm going to scroll down to find an arrow. There's the arrow. Click on it. Now I'm going to point to the toolbox. So there is my arrow. If you guys look, I now have an arrow right there. Okay, now to change the arrow, we double click on the arrow and a window is going to pop up. If you look at the arrow right here, watch what happens when I go to line right here, and then I'm going to change the color to yellow. That changes the color of the arrow. Now I'm going to go to glow, and now I'm going to make it glow blue. That is how, and I'm going to press OK. And now our arrow is yellow and with a blue glow. Now, if I want to add some writing underneath, I'm going to go to text box right here in the standard toolbar. And then I'm going to go ahead and click and drag. And then I'm going to type in whatever I want, whatever the step is. Go to toolbox. All right. So now, if you look, this looks like it's part of the slide. I don't want it to look like it's part of the slide, so I'm going to add a box around it that glows. So to do this, I double click on it. Now I'm going to go to line right here. Then I'm going to go to, I'm going to make it a black line. Now if you look here, what that happens is I just added a black line to that slide. And then I'm going to make it glow again by going to glow. I'm going to make it glow yellow. Yellow. Okay? So now I have a text box that glows yellow. Last thing I'm going to show you is how to add a box around the a box to highlight a certain part of the screen. So I'm going to go right here. I'm going to choose rectangle. Now I'm going to highlight the toolbox, because that's why I said go to toolbox. So I'm going to highlight the toolbox to let everybody know that this is the toolbox. I'm going to click on it. Then I'm going to go to the color fill. Okay, this is the color right now. I want to make it yellow, so I'm going to go to yellow, and it changes the color. Then I want to make sure that you can see through it, so I'm going to make the transparency 70%. 70%. Okay, nice. And now I press OK. And now there's my box. If you look here, this is my slide now. So I showed you how to do a text box, which is this again. Text box. And then I made it glow and I added a line. Showed you how to add an arrow. And I showed you how to add this box right here. So that's that. If you have any questions, please watch the video over again. Thank you.